today we will be replacing a Nissan Qashqai 2010 car key battery. So we have two screwdrivers. We have one Phillips screwdriver and one flat head. So the first thing you have to do is you have to take this screw out. So after you've done that, you need to just pop out this key, and then you'll need to use your flathead screwdriver to find the little gap here, and then you put it in, and then it should pop out. So here we have the battery, and then it should just come out. So this is a CR 2016 battery, and to put it in, you just see the little spring, and then you just go spring side in, and then it should just go in like that. And then to put it back on, you just put this case back on, and then you swish it together, and then you put the key back in, and then you put in the screw, and then you just tighten. So there you have a Nissan Qashqai battery replacement.